have a voter ID, तो आप वोट तो कर ही सकते हो. Well, no. At least not in Bihar right now. In Bihar, something unusual is happening. They are not just updating the voter list, they are wiping it clean and starting over. They call it a de novo revision. Now, if you want your name on this new list, you need to prove more than where you live. You have to prove you're an Indian citizen. So Aadhaar, voter ID, ration card, not enough. Even the Election Commission of India told the Supreme Court, these documents prove identity, not citizenship. Wait, what? Isn't voting based on identity? Let's go back to the basics. In India, the right to vote is not a fundamental right. Yes, you heard that right. It is recognized as of now only as a statutory right, that is, a right given by a law passed in Parliament and not by the Constitution. According to the Representation of People Act 1950, you can vote if you are 18 or older, you are an Indian citizen, your name is on the voter list. To prove citizenship, you need documents, actual sabut. Usually, documents like passport, PAN, birth certificate, etc. Aadhaar and voter ID, they are still helpful, but only as supporting documents. This isn't just about Bihar. It's about how we define citizenship, identity, and rights. And it raises big questions. Will this spread to other states? Is it a quiet step towards NRC? What about those who get left out if they can't prove they belong? But it's not all negative. This move could actually strengthen democracy by making sure only Indian citizens vote, cleaning up odd or duplicate entries, and building trust in the system. The matter is now in the Supreme Court, so let's stay alert and hope for the best. Hi, I'm Sonali, and this was Wanna Vote? Sabut kahan hai? Part of our playlist, Context ke piche kya hai? Do drop your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe if you're into decoding the why behind headlines. Only on YKW. See you in the next kahani.